Hey friends, I'm going to keep it pretty short. I want to show you a system to plan your family meals. It is hard. It's surprisingly hard. I don't know why, but my family and I would kind of freak out every day at 3 p.m., worry that we have not planned anything for dinner and we wouldn't know what to make, and we would look through the fridge and have no ideas and then end up making something boring like pasta again. So step one of the system was to create a kind of a chalkboard sticker on our fridge with the days of the week written on it. And the hope was that we'll remember to sit down or stand up and write down what we'll eat on each and every day. Unfortunately, that plan falls apart, and tell me if you relate, if it's the same in your family. My guess is it is, because you don't find the time to do it. And if you do stand in front of the fridge to write down the meal plan, you feel kind of uninspired and you don't have any ideas and you don't know what you want to make. So my solution is my system, which you'll see in this video, is simply have the days of the week on one side and kind of a bank of ideas to pull from. So when you are sitting or standing in front of that board, it's not an empty canvas. You can pull out of like 30 ideas, things that you know that you can make, and very easily and quickly fill it in. And not only is it easier, but it's also something that can easily be, you can easily include with your kids. You can bring them over and say, hey, is pasta okay for Wednesday, or what do you want for Thursday? And they can grab one of the ideas and put them straight on Thursday. So let's take a look at the system, and then we'll get back and talk about it. Here you are, folks, the system. On the left-hand side is days of the week. On the right-hand side is the recipe bank. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Velcro. I put it on something that's called a blackboard sticker. And on the right-hand side, you'll see these little wooden plaques, Velcroed as well, to this blackboard sticker. Now, when you go ahead and make this by yourself, you can use different materials. It could be, a box full of magnets that you put with all the recipes. It could be different things. Our fridge, by the way, is plastic, so magnets don't work on it. I think that's why I ended up with the Velcro. So on a Saturday or a Sunday, usually Sunday night, we'll just go ahead and decide what goes where. So there's chicken stew and chili and fish and grilled chicken. There's probably more that I could add now, the different options here, but that's the system. That's how it works. And then sometimes we end up going out on this day, so I'll take it off. In other words, going out for dinner. And there's also a leftover one. So when we have leftovers, we know we don't need to cook. We put leftovers in. So there you have it. The meals are planned for the week. Chicken and rice here. And it's easy for everybody to see. You can collaborate with the wife, with the husband, with the kids, and it's easy to follow.
Dad, can we have pizza on Friday?
I guess so. Okay.
How about Saturday and Sunday?
Absolutely not. The next week, the next Sunday, you put these all away, or just transfer them, and decide what's happening for dinner. The following week, you get the point. Okay, let me give you a closer look on the materials and the kind of how in this process. I think it all came from either Michaels or Amazon, and these are blackboard stickers. I stuck them on the fridge, did my best to cut them in a perfectly rectangular shape. This is a two-sided Velcro. Just one side goes here, just the soft side. Chalkboard markers to write the days. And these little wooden things that I ordered on Amazon as well. And they have both sides of the Velcro, the scratchy part here, so they can go from here to here. That's it. That's the whole system. Got it? Excellent. All right, you saw the system. It's pretty simple, right? The only twist is that bank of ideas that you can drop on and simply fill in the blanks. One of the things that I like the most about coming up with this, if you want to call it that way, is going and figuring out what materials I'll use and how will I exactly display this kind of system. So having the chalkboard stickers on the fridge with the Velcro and these little wood panels is my choice, my creative choice, if you will. You can go ahead and do a whole bunch of different things. It could be ping pong balls, I don't know, it could be anything that would simply give you the ease to draw from someplace to fill in the blanks. So thanks for joining me in this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you have an improvement on my system, I would love to hear about that. And if you have a second, just click on the like and or the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video.